Masih dari kota Ambon, Tribuners bertemu fans The Orange di Ambon. Ilya Dijkstra bakal bawa pesan ini ke Belanda. Head of International Strategy of KNVB, Ilya Dijkstra, beserta pengurus KNVB mengunjungi kota Ambon, Provinsi Maluku, untuk menyaksikan langsung euforia pendukung tim nasional atau timnas Belanda. Sejumlah tempat dan kegiatan pun digelar mulai dari nonton bareng atau nobar hingga ikut dalam konvoi pasca laga grup A Belanda lawan tim tuan rumah Piala Dunia 2022 Qatar. Kepada tribunambon.com, Dijkstra mengaku sangat menanti momen Piala Dunia, terlebih lagi turun ke daerah basis pendukung tim berjuluk The Orange. Di kota berjuluk Manise ini, Tribuners, Dijkstra mengaku kaget dan tidak menyangka begitu kecintaan warga terhadap tim sepak bola negara kincir angin itu. Dia pun memastikan akan mengabarkan kepada KNVB serta warga di Belanda apa yang dia saksikan di kota seluas 359,4 km persegi itu. Lanjutnya, Tribuners, di kota Ambon, sepak bola sangat menyatukan meski dalam perbedaan dan itu menjadi contoh yang baik. Dijkstra bahkan sangat ingin memperpanjang kunjungannya di kota berpenduduk kurang lebih 350.000 jiwa itu.
Football is something that unites people. We're celebrating football together, and I think also with the conflict that you were mentioning, I think it's really good to see that football is really a positive thing in people their lives. So I'm really happy that you mentioned that it unites us here, and I think not only in that conflict, but also that the Netherlands and Indonesia, what we've seen, we celebrate football together. I grew up in the Netherlands. You're from here, but we're talking about football because it's a positive thing. So I'm really happy to hear that it's here also the same.
Experience many activities, you see a lot of fanatism in Ambon City. What will you bring the message to the Netherlands, to your friends in the Netherlands and people?
Well, the first message is, guys, you have to experience yourself. Please go here and see it, but of course that's not possible for everyone. But I, to my colleagues from the KNVB, I will say we need to do more for the fans here. We're now giving back to the fans. I'm happy that we're doing that. We're really acknowledging the fans, but we can do so much more. And well, I'm looking forward to the future to bring more.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.